Hi everyone, Professor Baldwin here to show you how to schedule virtual office hours with your instructor. From the course homepage, you want to click Content at the top of the page. Now locate the folder on the left that says WebEx or WebEx class and click on that. This opens up that WebEx folder, and now you should have a link called WebEx Collaboration. Click this link. If your class offers virtual class sessions, you'll see those listed here under Virtual Meetings. We're here to learn about office hours. So click on the tab at the top that says Office Hours. You'll now see all of the available office hour slots for this particular instructor. The calendar allows you to go far into the future. I encourage you to not book too far in advance. Likewise, don't book last minute. Your instructor needs some time to prepare. Find the date and time that work with your schedule, click on it, and then at the bottom of the screen, click Confirm Meeting. You'll receive a confirmation screen that has your scheduled meeting day and time, as well as the link to the meeting. You will also receive a copy of this information via email to your student email account. Don't lose that email or this link, as you need it to join the office hour session. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Have a great semester. Bye.